Hi, this is Sherry. I'm a Chinese living in Ireland. Today I'm gonna show you how to make snow rice cake. It is my favorite and my best. I choose the Thai rice this time, and any other jasmine rice is good to make it. If you have rice powder, it could be easier to make. The point to make it is to find a good ratio of water and rice powder. I have tested my ingredients for many times. To you, I suggest add water slowly. It is not a dough, so don't knead it. Just rub it until it looks like this. We need a hollow mold, and this time I choose to make one by chopsticks. It is good to find another use of chopsticks.
We had the shortest time. You had to go, but I'm just so happy I had you.
Don't press too much. The snow rice cake is like snow, so it should be soft and fluffy. Make sure the steam would not destroy the surface. Everything looks perfect.
I don't care how far, I won't stop trying. I wanna be right where you are.
Leave a comment and tell me what kind of Chinese food you are interested in. I'm Sherry, I live in Ireland. Thumbs up and subscribe my channel if you like it. See you next week.